January 22nd, 2024, Trade Journal. Today I won two trades. I took two, won two, but here's the first long. Here is the second trade I took, which was a short. So coming into the day, price, we were just sitting up here, and I wasn't really sure on bias, just in the fact that we moved, what is this, few hundred, yeah, almost 900 points in the last few days. Price is gonna want to consolidate, and it's probably not going to be giving a big move the first few days of this week. So coming into the day, we had no news, but price was just kind of hanging around in this area. So I was moving down to a lower time frame and kind of focusing in on the 15-minute, just in the fact that we have a new price leg here, but we're kind of accumulating. We are manipulating to the upside, and we're kind of starting to move to the downside. But the open is kind of what I want to focus on here, in the fact that if we do look at the 15-minute coming into open, I had seen the price, in fact, did break down, and we did have a bearish breaker block as well as a 15-minute bearish for value gap holding us down. But I wasn't super interested in this, just in the fact that what has price been doing? Looking back on price, we open up, we sweep sell side, we move higher. Price, we open up, we sweep some form of sell side, move higher. We've been doing that for the last several days. So I had some notion coming into today that I wanted to see at least this internal high, or not internal, but the new external high get taken out, and then possibly see a different move to the downside. So looking in at the 1 minute, we are about right here when I had seen, so price had come in, we had swept sell side, and we were starting to get displacement up. So we swept sell side, we got quick displacement up, and this candle was the candle that was telling me, hey, there is a pretty good chance that I think we run to buy side, just in the fact of this displacement. We had swept sell side, we had a shift in structure, and we were getting uh, good displacement to the upside. Where is my trading checklist? Oh, okay, well, that one didn't want to save. Um, so that was not in here. No, okay. Well, so we had a sell side swept it, moved up, had a stop raid, another stop raid, and then we finally start getting our displacement up. But here is where I wanted to get in. So once this bullish breaker was created, I had gotten in here. I had gotten in several times within here, within this 1 minute fair value gap. Draw this to proportion. But I had gotten in several times within this 1 minute fair value gap, and I was targeting this internal high. I had gotten all out here. This was what I was acting as buy side because I didn't know if we were going to come up and sweep this external buy side. So as of right now, I was just targeting this internal buy side. So I entered and we moved up at open. Bit of a gamble. This isn't a trade I would have usually taken, but I did like how it looked, and it's not a trade I would have taken with it being so close to open. But we ran up, shot right up to buy side, the internal buy side, and then we took the external liquidity, and here is where kind of starts to change. So I'm going to jump over to MNQ. But looking at this, and here I was kind of looking at the 5 minute. Because we have been running up so high, I would have wanted to see a higher time frame structure shift in order to maybe look for something else. So here we create a 5 minutes. That will be wrong, but we create a 5 minute BPR, and within this BPR, I am looking for price to be held down. I am more interested in shorts now in the fact that before market, we swept sell side. Market open, we sweep buy side. And I think at some point we did have an SMT. Yes, so we did have a no, we didn't. Sorry. Um, but at this point, I think we did have an SMT, and I was looking for lower, so I wanted to see this 5 minute hold within here and see price go lower. So looking at executions, oh, they are on, but I am on replay. So looking at executions, nope. Oh, my account is not connected. All right, one more time. Looking at executions, I was selling all the way through here, and price was not disrespecting this 5 minute BPR. It was getting very close, but it was not disrespecting. And then I was selling some more in here, and I ended up getting. Now we can go into replay, but I ended up getting all out at this low right here. I took a partial here as well as this low, and then I was all out, and I was done looking at the market. Did not want to mess with it, though I was thinking there is a chance we do run lower. But looking at this, the 5 minute BPR did hold. Price almost got above it, but then we did end up moving lower, and I think we did have a little 1 minute SMT in play there. But overall, good plays, solid day, being conservative, getting almost all out at, or partialing most of my positions at the internal structure rather than trying to hold for long positions, because I figure we are in at all-time highs. It's good to be a little bit more conservative, but overall, good trades following my trade model. Otherwise, that's it.